This shop right here is all powered on a single generator. We're gonna try the Arccaptain MIG 130, doing some welding on this Fox body, and see if all this works.
That's just tagged in there for right now. Woo! Like I said. That's hot. Good tag though. Woo, that's hot too.
Now the problem we're having is the generator is blowing its breaker or whatever. So, no lights, just the welder. Priorities.
Alright, move to your left some.
Whoa,
Went through.
there ain't much metal there to be welded to.
So I turned the heat up a little bit more on it. It was burning in pretty hot.
So what do you think of the weld?
I like it pretty good.